Hello everyone, in our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Python download or download Python. Okay, and then after that, what you want to do is to simply click the very first link or site that you can see once you tap this download Python. Then once you tap that one, what you want to do next, so it will take you directly to this page where you can see different versions here. Okay, it depends on your device, compatibility with your device. But this time, we're going to download the latest version of this Python right here. Once done, go to your download folder and then right click this one and simply look for run as administrator. You have to wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. It will just show up to your screen once it is ready to install. Now here, don't forget to tap this Add Python, the second one here to path, tap this one. And then after that, what you want to do is to simply click Install Now. So tap Install Now and it's now installing. So you just have to wait. And then as you can see, we have here setup was successful. So you can close this one. And then once it is installed already, what you want to do is simply go to your search bar and then type terminal. Open this terminal application and you just have to follow what I'm going to type here. So once this Windows PowerShell pops up, what you want to do is to simply type the following. Okay, so here you have to simply type Python and then space dash dash and then version. Okay, you just have to type version and then click enter. Now something will pop up right here. Okay, this time you have to type the following. So you have to type pip or pip space install space Jupyter. And then after that, you have to press enter. Now wait for a couple of minutes as it is now processing. Yes, indeed, a couple of minutes because you have to wait till it's finished. Okay, so you will see that it's now starting to download Jupyter on your device. Okay, so you just have to wait. Now you will see or you will notice that once it's finished, it will stop running right here. So what you want to do next once it's finished is to just simply open a folder on your desktop, new folder, and then you can rename that new folder to Jupyter or Jupyter file or Jupyter notebook, something like that. Okay, so click and open this new folder right here after you rename this. And then inside the folder, you have to open again a terminal. Okay, so let me rename this one first to Jupyter and then click this one again. So here inside the folder, you have to right click and then let's just say you have to look for show more options. Okay, so right click again, look for show more options, and then look for terminal. So once it appears, then what you want to do here is to simply type Jupyter space a notebook and then press enter. Okay, so that is inside this new folder right here. You have to type this one. Once done, this one will show up, and all you have to do is to click this notebook right here. This is your Jupyter. So tap notebook, and then after that, you have to select this Python 3 and then click select. Then after you select this one, then that's it. All you have to do is to rename this to, let's just say, Jupyter folder or Jupyter file, whatsoever it is. Okay, and then you will see it inside the folder that you have created your Jupyter notebook on your device. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.